who can give me $800. Just $800, folks. $600. Do I hear $600?
600.
I have $600. I have $600 here. Going once. Sold to the young man right there for $600.
What is your name, son?
Luke Collins.
Well, Mr. Collins, I have a stipulation in Ira Levinson's will I need to read to you. Portrait of Ruth may not be the most valuable painting in my collection, but it was the most precious to me because it reminded me daily of my beloved Ruth. And so the terms of my will are simple. Whoever purchases the portrait will receive the collection in its entirety.
This is worth millions. Millions of dollars.
How much do you want for the Warhol?